Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, water jets, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today I want to show you one of our favorite machines. This is an Accurpress brake, 6 foot, 60 ton, very, very popular machine. This is their Advantage series, year 2016. If you take a look over here, we have a year 2000 machine, same size, pretty much the same design. They've got a couple more covers, but you can see they don't change a good design if it's working. So it's very, very similar to year 2000 machine. We'll show you a couple others that we have here. This is a 6 foot, 60 ton. You come right here, 175 ton, 12 foot. And then the later 175 ton, 12 foot. So we have all different types of Accurpresses in stock. We're always looking for them. If you do have some for sale, make sure to give us a call. Let us know what we can do to buy, sell, or trade with you guys. Now let's take a look here. We'll run this program. Right now we have it set up in a 6-step program. Everything here is going to show us where our back gauge is going to move, where our ram's going to move to, and it's going to go through the complete steps. So we'll turn your screen here, you can see that. Activate with our palm buttons, it says palm and foot. And you'll notice our back gauge is moving. We have X, Y, as well as R axis on this machine. So you see it just went down. Very nice feature to have on these machines is that R axis. You can see it just went up. So what it's doing is it's going to meet with your material. As soon as you bend your material, you're going to have it at the top here, and the R axis is going to bring it up and let you hit your finger. Right now you can see we're at step 4 of 6. Our back gauge is continually moving. And we're about to go back to our first step. Back to our first step. Really nice touchscreen control. You can see it has everything on here, including a tool library. You'll put your different tools in here. It'll save it so it'll know exactly what tooling you have in the machine. It'll help with safety. Make sure when you program everything, you won't have any crashes or any accidents. Now, I just wanted to show you a few more things here at Sterling Machinery. We are a full stocking dealer, so these machines are all here on the floor. Here's an Accu shear. If you're looking for a shear, 1/4 inch, 10 gauge. Of course, as I say, we're always looking to buy, so if you have anything for sale, let us know. Here's a US industrial press brake. This is like new. It's actually a used machine. I don't think used is really the word. There's not a scratch on the machine, but it does come in at a used price, so you definitely get to save some money on that. We've got a nice 250 ton prime line. Brand new Cincinnati here. We do sales classes, safety classes, and more over here with the Cincinnatis. Back to this Accurpress. Again, give us a call if you have anything for sale or if you're looking for something like this, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.